use this software. Use this icon to launch the program. This is an easy-to-use software. As you can see, there are 4 tick boxes to fill up. We have given a few examples near each text box so that you can correctly fill up these fields. Read these examples and enter the correct terms relevant to the product or service you have selected. Then press the Generated Headlines button. A list of headlines will be generated instantly and displayed here. Use this button to select the list. Then you can copy and paste it into Notepad. Note that this is a brainstorming tool. Make necessary adjustments to make it specifically fit for your project. Go through all of them and select the most suitable subject lines and make changes as needed. Once you copied the headlines, click here to close this window. Now you can try different keywords and generate another list of headlines. This way, you can create hundreds of catchy headlines for your sales letters, opt-in pages, email campaigns, press releases or articles. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.